Then got your front axle mounted back. New belts on there. All that. New speed up tachometer cable. Here's the gas, the fuel tank. Painted, installed. Got your throttle linkage here. Got a few more pieces I'm painting put on there. Got your floor plates on both sides. Got your lifting arms in the back. And I can't connect these until I get it off the stand. Because of the where it's sitting. These are your stabilizer chains. It's making progress. A little bit done here, just a little at a time. So, here we go. Just want to make sure you know I'm doing my job.